for the sun to set at maybe 30 minutes more. So this is the view of the Marina Beach. Marina Beach, Egypt. Hi, I can't see. Hi, Lucky Lucille. Thank you, iConnect. Nakapag-live ako dito sa dagat area kasi may internet ako. So, tayo ay nakapag-live. Angela Villa, thank you so much. This is the beach view of Marina, Egypt. This is the north coast of Egypt. See? So, we are by the beach. Hindi nga lang tayo makaligo kasi hindi tayo pwedeng maligo sa ganitong oras. May mga nakabikini na doon. Siyempre, hindi ko sila pwede masyado ipakita. Baka mapagalitan ako. Hi, Bon! 4 million people shout out. Nag-live daw kaninang umaga. But I'm too excited kasi may internet ako. Anyong haseyo, anyong bo. This is the beach side. North coast of Egypt. It's 7 p.m. Egypt time. But the sun is way up. So, yes, thank you so much, Bon. We are enjoying the view of the beach while on live. See, at 7 p.m. it's still 2 up. Oh, Jessie Blue! Hi, Jessie Blue! Hi, Jessie Blue. Nag-live lang ako by the beach. Dito makakakita kayo ng nagbi-beach na nakabalot na balot na pati buhok nakatarha pa. Ayan, may naka-swimsuit naman. Yeah, me too. I'm waiting for the sun. I'm waiting for the sun to set. See? 1:02 a.m. your time and it's 7:02 p.m. my time. It's 7:02 p.m. my time in Egypt. So this is the beach view. Ayan. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-live sa mismong dagat. Lagi lang ako away from the dagat. So, by this time, nagkaroon tayo ng opportunity na magka-live sa dagat pero hindi tayo pwedeng maligo. Bawal tayong maligo sa ganitong oras. Kasi, yeah, it's actually the north coast Marina Bay, Marina area of Egypt. Lucky Lucille, thank you so much. I'm gonna be subscribing later. Oh, I forgot your jacket. Hi, Meds. How are you, Meds? Meds, I saw you on live. Hindi lang ako nagparamdam. I saw you are on a music live. So this is the beach view of North Coast Egypt. More than 2 weeks na ako dito pero ngayon lang ako nakapag-live sa mismong dagat side. So welcome to North Coast Marina Egypt. Hindi lang tayo pwede maligo. Hanggang display lang tayo dito. So hanggang display lang tayo dito, hindi tayo pwedeng maligo katulad ng mga naliligo dito kasi hindi tayo as free as a bird. Early morning pwede kaming maligo. So bukas na umaga magla-live ako ng early morning dahil amin ang dagat early morning dahil tulog ang aming boss. Ganitong oras hindi pwede kasi 8 p.m., 8:30 p.m. mga ganyang time may workout ang aking boss. So bawal akong maligo ngayon. Ayoko namang maligo na mga alas 3, alas 4 ng hapon. Baka pagbalik ko ng Saudi, ulikba na ako. Baka ulikba na ako pagbalik ko ng Saudi kasi ang itim-itim ko na dito. Kahit na early morning swim lang ako. So ayan yung mga people na nakakaligo pa. It's 7:05 p.m. my time. 7:05 p.m. Egypt time. Thank you so much, Bon, sa iyong patambay-tambay dyan. O diba, ang sarap-sarap ng hangin dito. Ang sarap ng hangin. It's so